Hello. In this video we will be discussing the different EducoreFinance modules, starting with the Accounting and Finance module where we have the listed modules. Journals. For manual journal entries, expenses, payments, receipts, bank transactions, checks replacement, bank reconciliation, and multitude of accounting reports that will be needed to cover your financial operations, like parent statements for all the registered children in your school. Detailed reports for classes balances, detailed receipts reports that breaks down whether cash collected, checks, transfers and credit card, and detailed journal vouchers report. Educore also provides financial reports like balance sheet, income statement, trial balance. Educore offers a hand on building your main chart of accounts and subchart of accounts through master modules like banks, receipts accounts, suppliers, expenses and more. All your sub-account can be connected to a third-party account that will link Educore to your other financial application, like Oracle, SAP, Sage, Microsoft and more through developed APIs. The registration module is an easy module. This will assign the student to his respective class. Set the Educore communication tool. It writes the JV of the registration transaction in a simple entry. You can register the student in one or more terms or for a full academic year. You can set the policies of registration onto Educore and discount schemes. Educore will automatically calculate the tuition fees as per your fee structure and assigned fee policy. As an example, we will be using the prorated fee policy, then we can add the correspondent discount for this student. You can add other services or items that added on the registration invoice, like uniforms, registration fees, and any other service that you can define in your services modules. You can add additional registration periods if your registration standard is by term, semester, month or year. On save, Educore will automatically parse the journal voucher entries under earned revenues for active terms, and unearned revenues for future terms. You can email the invoice for the parents or simply print it. Adding an installment plan for this invoice is very easy, where you can set the different installment dates. This will set an automatic reminder for both parents and your operations team about the due amount and date. Generating a receipt is very easy. Once the student is selected, Educore will display the current balance of the parent and the breakdown for every child. You can view on the receipt his statement of account. Select the services against which we are making this collection. We can have a multi-line receipt. So let's say if this parent will be paying multiple checks, or in cash, or with credit card, or even through bank transfer. We can add the amounts. We can even add charges that are connected to this collection. The JVs will be automatically parsed. You can print it or email it for the registered mail of the parent. In journals you can add a manual journal, or you can review the automated journals that were parsed from the receipts, or from the registrations, or from the invoices, and so on. Then you can generate the detailed journal list where you can copy, save as PDF, print, or export to Excel. Thank you.